Hello again and welcome back to Thirdstone. There's been some progress on the layout. So as you can see, I've been making some Metcalfe buildings and playing around with lighting, and also I've completely 3D printed the cinema building on the left. So that should be available to download from my COTS 3D store at some point in the future. The other things I've been doing is buying more trains. So here we've got my first MicroAce train, which is a Type C apparently. I purchased that so it could go and service the Colliery. Over on the mountain layout, I've managed to put the reversing loop in, and that's now working off of a Kato controller. So if I power that up, so I would have liked that Type C to go around this reversing loop, but sadly the wheelbase is too long to negotiate the curves. So you can see the reversing loop is working perfectly. That was operator error, but it does work. And the little tram looks great coming out and going into the tunnels. The other thing that we've added is some more Japanese rolling stock. Which will look great when the layout's fully detailed. I've also added in a couple of dummy catenaries. I've actually bought some replacement catenaries, the Dapol ones, so not Japanese but European style. So we'll put those in at some point. But yeah, lots of chaotic progress, no particular rhyme or reason behind some of the things I've done on the layout. And I'll leave you with some close-up shots of the new additions.